this project was to showcase what we could do with another Cayenne, to bring it up, to make it look something that's, as we interpret it, to make it our urban assault vehicle. So when we first got this Cayenne, it was in really rough state. I mean, this actually looked like somebody hand painted the car.
So the vision was obviously to execute within budget that would be practical, functional, and of course stand out.
If I had to describe the E1 Cayenne, it would be iconic. I feel like the E1 Cayenne first gen is a real staple of Porsche's history.
416, because it's our urban downtown Toronto vehicle.
Functional. So we're looking for a very functional vehicle that would work everywhere, meaning it's not just great for overlanding or off-roading, it's good around town.
Modifications that we've done to this E1 Cayenne, we put a 2-inch lift kit. We also put in lights for the bar.
We wrapped the car, we changed the wheels and tires, we added the bars.
We had a front bumper guard as well, and we do have a roof rack with a basket on the top.
The whole build is fairly cohesive. So what we wanted is everything to work together. So there's no extremes on this vehicle.
We made the car totally runnable. And as you see, we are ready to take on the downtown core.
It's really nice to see the vision that you had and being able to be displayed for people to see.